This is the morning weather briefing. This is for Friday, the 16th of February. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather changing as the weekend begins. We'll see clouds increasing today. A chance of showers tonight, not that much rain, and then sharply colder tomorrow. But the good news, the cold snap will not last especially long. Here's the upper air look this morning. And we still have a zonal flow. A veil of high clouds covers the state this morning, mid to high level clouds. And underneath the clouds, a little light rain, a few sprinkles beginning to show up across the southwestern corner of the state. But most of the day will be dry. And again, very mild, highs well up in the 60s, maybe low 70s in parts of South Alabama. We are starting off the day mostly in the 40s over the northern two-thirds of the state. Birmingham at 48, low 50s for Mobile and Dothan. Highs today will likely be in the 65 to 70 degree range. Not bad at all for mid-February. There's a look at our watch warning map. North of Alabama, we have some snow issues in scattered pockets. Winter storm warnings in effect for parts of Wyoming and Montana. Also the mountains of West Virginia and parts of New York. And maybe some thunder with the cold front later today and tonight, mainly in areas north and west of Alabama, parts of Arkansas and Tennessee. But severe storms not expected. And again, rain amounts will likely be very light. Tomorrow, maybe some thunder for South Florida and the northern coast of California, north of San Francisco. And pretty much the same situation on day 3, which is Sunday. But no severe storms expected across the country, at least for the next 7 days. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days, valid through Friday morning of next week, and just not a lot here. Now, understand this counts the rain we see later today and tonight, in the next rain event, which will be late Thursday and Thursday night of next week. So this is between two separate events, and just not a lot. Rain amounts under 1/2 inch for the north, and much of South Alabama not getting enough rain to measure. But that's okay, because look at the new drought monitor. If you missed it, this is the drought monitor yesterday, and the amount of Alabama in drought now, 0.0. No drought at all. The yellow there, that means conditions are abnormally dry. And I would suggest people in those yellow areas might even argue that with all the rain of late. But bottom line is the drought is long gone. So model fans, here we go. This is the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid today at 4. And again, we got a trough that's over the Gulf of California. Got a southwest flow aloft here. The day should be mostly dry. There could be a few sprinkles near the Gulf Coast. We have a chance of rain north and west of the state with the front. And we do note snow developing for places like St. Louis and Indianapolis later today as the cold air drops southward. So this is this evening at 6 o'clock. This is coming off the high-resolution HER model. And again, evidence of a few sprinkles near the Gulf Coast and a band of showers over Tennessee and Arkansas with the front. But again, most of Alabama dry today with highs well up in the 60s. So this is midnight tonight. The front pushing southward and a band of showers coming through Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston, Gadsden. No thunder, no lightning, nothing severe, nothing heavy. Amounts for most spots tonight will be under 1/10 of an inch. And then tomorrow, the front pushes all the way down into the northern Gulf, and the weather turns sharply colder. I think the clouds will linger much of the day. Having said that, there could be some clearing by afternoon for the northern counties of the state. But cold and breezy with mid-40s all day for North Alabama. And a good north wind's going to make it feel colder. Maybe low 50s for South Alabama. And then by Sunday morning, as the sky clears, we're expecting lows in the 20s for the northern half of the state. Maybe a freeze all the way down deep into South Alabama, but the day should be mostly sunny, and the high Sunday will be back in the 50s. And again, the cold snap will not last long. This is Monday. We go back in the 60s. The sky will be sunny. Tuesday, a little clipper comes in from the north and west, and if you look carefully on the map, you'll see a few green splotches there over Alabama and Tennessee, and there could be a few sprinkles around on Tuesday, but probably not much. Mixture of clouds and sunshine. Again, highs will be in the 60s. This is Wednesday. Should be a mostly sunny day. Many spots will be close to 70 on Wednesday afternoon. And then Thursday, here comes our next front. Clouds will increase again. Very mild, highs close to 70. We'll bring in a chance of showers Thursday afternoon and Thursday night. as the front passes through. But like the thing tonight, limited moisture, nothing heavy, no severe storms, probably no thunder. And then a week from today, this is Friday the 23rd, we have a trough setting up over the eastern part of the United States, and the weather a little cooler, but not much. The high dropping to about 60 on Friday the 23rd. That'll get us down in the 30s for that following weekend, but again, high should stay in the 60s. Let's go out 10 days. Sunday the 25th. Little trough passing through. Evidence we might see a little light rain for the northern half of the state. But again, the clear message here, we don't see any really high impact weather event for Alabama for the rest of this month. And by high impact, we mean severe storms, heavy rain, flooding, extreme cold, snow or ice. We just don't see that for the next couple of weeks. Here's a look at rain for Birmingham. This is coming off the European ensemble. The mean about 2 inches between now and the 2nd of March. Temperatures coming off the NBM, the National Blend of Models for Birmingham, 67 today, then 46 tomorrow. But that quick shot of cold air just gets out of here in a hurry. Now, we do expect upper 20s, mid to upper 20s, both Sunday and Monday morning, but notice by Wednesday and Thursday of next week, highs around 70. And then we come down with a high close to 60 by Friday and Saturday, the 23rd and 24th. And the latest 8 to 14-day guidance. This is for the 23rd through the 29th of February. And again, much of the contiguous United States in those shades of orange and red, meaning temperatures will likely be above average. But March is coming, our most volatile month of the year. Anything goes. It's been as cold as 2 degrees in March. We've had blizzards in March. So again, we always have some late-season cold snaps. But the good thing, the late-season cold snaps typically don't last all that long. So how about Nakalula Falls yesterday? Love the rainbow in that shot. Pretty nice sunset. Anytime we have those high cirrus clouds, that tends to make a good one. That was taken down at Auburn yesterday. Again, those clouds about 18, 20,000 feet off the ground. They're thin, so the sun getting through, making for those marvelous sunsets. And, of course, often with cirrus clouds, we wind up with these. That is a 22-degree moon halo. The ice crystals within the cirrus clouds tending to refract and reflect the light, making that ring in a 22-degree radius. And that is nothing new. We see those all the time. If you follow me, you've seen hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pictures over the years. So today headed to Oak Mountain Elementary School in Shelby County. That'll be a lot of fun. Tomorrow going to be on the campus of the University of Alabama for an event for some special kids. And that's going to be a really good event at the Student Center there. Tomorrow night I'll be at the Alabama Theater. What a marvelous venue for the Miss Hoover High Senior Beauty Pageant, Beauty Walk. I've been doing that for a long time. And then a week from tomorrow, it's the Severe Weather Day in Nashville. And I'll be speaking there. And again, we'll put the details on that next week as we get closer to the event. And of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great Friday, and God bless.